In this video, you will learn how to replace stabilizer links in a few steps. First, scan the QR code on the Cetum packaging and read the installation instructions carefully. Please note, stabilizer links are always replaced in pairs. We are only showing the left side here, as the procedure is identical on the right. Start by cleaning the bolts and nuts, which are to be removed with a wire brush. Then spray them with penetrating oil. Hold the ball joint in place and loosen both nuts. Remove the old stabilizer link. Take the new stabilizer link out of the packaging, making sure to note the left and right sides. Compare the new stabilizer link with the old one. Check that everything is okay. Position the new stabilizer link correctly and tighten the nuts by hand first. Lubrication on the dust cap is not necessary here. Stabilizer links have a metal mounting surface and do not come into direct contact with the top of the dust cap. Restrain the ball of the ball joint and tighten both nuts. Then, tighten them to the torque specified by the vehicle manufacturer. Once the stabilizer links on the left and right have been replaced, the wheels can be put back on. Check out the Cetum YouTube channel for more instructional videos.